So, hey, what's up mga kote? It's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Quadernos, where learning is the name of the game. So, kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na subscribe, like, and share button para maging updated ka sa aming mga videos. So, samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Quadernos, at ang bagong lesson natin for today is about structure of seed plants. So, nandito naman tayo sa ating Twitter world. So, last time food, last time aesthetic, and Harry Potter theme. This time, dito naman tayo sa Twitter. So, nag-log in na tayo. So, trivia muna tayo for today. So, ang objective natin for today is malalaman natin ang ating mga seed plants, and of course, malaman natin kung ano ba yung mga structures nila. So, dito muna tayo sa ating trivia. When you have a cold and your nose feels stuffed up, the food you eat tastes bland. So, pag nakikita ko lagi yung word na bland, I remember Gordon Ramsay. So, mahilig talaga ako manood ng Kitchen Nightmares, and kapag hindi niya gusto yung food, sabi niya, it tastes bland. Oh my God. Yan, ganyan. That's because your tongue doesn't do all the work in tasting. It gets some help from your nose. So, paghiwalay natin to, magkaroon tayo ng pen. Your nose helps in tasting by smelling the food first before it goes in your mouth. So, yan ang ating trivia for today. So, for me, meron akong sinus, and talagang totoo to. Kapag medyo sinisipon talaga, super barado yung ilong ko, parang yung feeling ko yung lasa ng pagkain, parang hindi ko talaga ma-enjoy. Kasi nga, nagtitaste siya ng bland, or kulang siya sa lasa, or kulang siya sa complement ng flavor, kasi nga barado yung ilong ko. So, yung ating tongue, humihingi din siya ng tulong sa ating nose para, of course, magkaroon ng combination yung kanilang work para magkaroon ng good experience about pagkain. So, yan. So, sa mga nagkakaroon ng sinus or yung may mga allergic rhinitis, alam natin na kapag talaga nabarado yung ilong, super hirap talagang kumain ng maayos at makahinga. So, dito talaga sa bunganga ako nahinga pag talaga hindi ko na kayang huminga ng pag naganon sa ako sa ilong. So, yun. So, dito na tayo sa ating lesson proper. So, yan. Structure of seed plants. Seed plants are the most numerous plants found on Earth. So, seed plants are the most found plants in our Earth. So, they are called seed plants because they bear seeds. They may be grouped into flowering seed plants called Gymnosperms and flowering plants called Angiosperms. So, natakal na natin to, but syempre, we will go it deeply and more on understanding about it. And yung ating seed plants ay nagbe-bear sila ng seeds. So, marami talaga tayo nakikita mga plants na pwede nating itanim sa ating bahay, sa farm, or something na open space, and meron tayong healthy soil na meron din silang mga enough sunlight, or place talaga na best for pagtatanim. Syempre, madalas talaga makikita natin doon ay seed plants. So, meron silang type, Gymnosperms and Angiosperms. Next, seed plants are also called vascular plants because they possess vascular tissues. Vascular tissues, or bundles as others call them, are tiny tubes or bundles as others call them are tiny tubes that transport water, food, and other materials throughout the body of the whole plant. So, this is we called Angiosperms. So, flowering sila. And Gymnosperms, so yan. So, yan yung itsura niya. When we say vascular plants, meron kasi silang vascular tissues. When we say vascular tissues, bundles, called them because tiny tubes that transports water, food, and other materials throughout the body of the whole plant. There are two types of vascular tissues, the xylem and the phloem. When we say xylem muna, xylem carries water and minerals from the roots. So, siyang carries water and minerals sa roots. So, they also help support the plant because they have strong, thick walls the direction of flow of materials in the xylem is upward. So, sa xylem, upward ang kanyang direction of flow of the material. So, siya ang carries water and minerals from the roots. Next. When we say phloem, so yan, phloem carries food from the leaves to the different parts of the plant. So, kanina sinabi natin, xylem carries water and minerals from roots. When we say naman na phloem carries food from the leaves to the different parts of the plant. The direction of flow of minerals is both upward and downward. So, di ba kanina, so nasulatan siya, so di ba kanina, ang direction ng xylem natin is upward. When we say naman sa phloem, so erase natin yung nandito. So, sinabi naman natin sa phloem, upward and downward siya. So, ito ang pagkakaiba niya. This is the xylem. This is the phloem. When we say xylem, waters and minerals, no end walls, between cells, one way only. So, outer cells are not living. So, pag sinabi naman natin sa phloem, so siya pataas siya, oh. Pataas. Pataas yung kanyang direction. When we say phloem, organic molecules and walls, two-way movement, cells are living but need support. So, kita nyo yan, pag ganun yung kanyang direction, upward and downward. So, yan. The seed plant. Seed plants have true roots and stems and leaves, each performing particular function. So, ito yung pinaka-the best nating seed plant. This is tomato. So, dito ay ating i-wide siya. So, yan. Para makita natin. So, this is the young leaf. This is the leaf. This is the flower. Sa loob ng fruits, meron siyang seeds. So, this is the lateral root. This is the primary root. And that is the short root. So, dito naman tayo sa kabila. So, yan. Basic tissues, epidermis, vascular tissues that are found in the stem. So, yan ang ating seed plant. So, roots. Functions ng roots natin, anchored and planted to the ground or planted. So, yan. So, planted. Kunin nga natin yung ating pangalan nito. So, planted siya. So, erase natin. So, planted siya. When we say planted siya, ito, planted. They absorb water and minerals from the soil. They store food for the plant. So, yun yung functions ng ating roots. So, yan ang ating structure of seed plants. So, wait. So, yan ang ating lesson for today. Thank you. Have a great day and God bless. So, if you like this video, click the thumbs up button and leave a comment down below if you have suggestions, clarifications for our recent videos. So, kung gusto nyo pa na magkaroon pa ng iba pang mga topics or subjects, so, senior high school man yan, elementary, pang college, so, let us know. So, DM us from codernos@gmail.com. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless you in my next video. Bye-bye!